Good day, everyone. Welcome to my YouTube channel. So today we're going to be looking at the trades that we took yesterday, which was on the 4th of March 2025, and lessons that we can learn from those trades. So I'm going to analyze the trade, both losses and the win. So yesterday was a profit day. Actually, we actually closed in profit, but um, we actually learned a lot of lessons yesterday. I, one thing about trading is that you can't stop growing. You actually grow every single time, every single day, every single trade, every single loss, every single profit should grow a trader bit by bit. So yesterday we were able to learn some lessons, some technical lessons, and we were able to fix some things in our trading strategy. So now let's go into the chart. Now we're able to send okay, this one is today. So yesterday we were able to send at least we sent 3 signals yesterday. Now though the first signal was sent, which was on the we sent the first signal March 3rd, on the 3rd of March, which was on Monday, yes, on Monday evening. So we sent the signal on Monday evening, but the trade was still running till the next day. So the trade actually closed in loss, actually took us out. You can see took us out, which was on GPUSD. So we sold gold again that same day. Let's go back. We sold gold again that same day, and we're able to recover back this loss, and not just recover back this loss, we're able to recover back the loss with massive profits. You can see it right there. So we're able to recover back the loss on GU, and also recover the loss. We were able to recover the loss using gold, recover the loss on GU, and make a lot of profits from gold. So gold actually smashed take profit. You can see giving us a 1 to 3 RR right there. Very clean trade right there. So that was exactly what happened. Now the third trade was later in the evening when I sent a sell on GU, which also didn't go well. It didn't go well. It took us out. So we actually took 3 trades. 2 trades didn't go well in our direction. Why? Only one actually went in our direction, and still yet we still closed in profit for that day. We still closed in profit for that day. So that is the power of understanding risk management in relation to your strategy. So let's go into the chart. Let me show you the trades and the mistake that we made analyzing those trades. What we learned from the mistakes, what we learned from the mistake, and how we were able to fix those mistakes. So now let's go. Let's check. Let me delete all this. Okay, so it was a wonderful trade though. Coming. So on GPUSD, this was the first trade on GPUSD. So we actually went down to the daily time frame on GPUSD, on the daily time frame, which was this particular one here. So we went down to the daily time frame. Okay, this was the first trade though. This was the first trade. Let me just show you guys the first trade. This was the first trade. So we checked the daily time frame, and then on the daily time frame, we look for we saw that. Okay, let's go back to the daily time frame. On the, the drill now. We check for CRT first. CRT is the first thing that we check for, candle range theory. So we want to see on the higher time frame what the market will do based on candle range movement. You understand? Will the market take out the high of the candle or take out the low of the candle for that day? So this was exactly what the market did. So the market took out the high of this of sorry, it took out the high of the of Monday candle. This is Monday candle. This is it. Okay, sorry, third was on Monday. Yes, on the third was on Monday. Fourth, okay, yeah, it took out the high of sorry, give me a minute. Let me just quickly. So it took out the high of Friday candle. So this is Friday candle. This one was just on Sunday. So this is rubbish right there. So it took out the high of this particular candle. Let's just pretend as if bullish candle was not there. So he took out the eye of this Friday candle. Took out the eye of Friday candle. Coming. Bye. So that eye was taken out. So now we want to look for this. We have seen the CRT. So the CRT took out the candle, took out the eye of this particular. So that simply means that we'll be looking at lower prices. So we want to go down to lower time frame to actually confirm the coordinates of these two candles, the coordinate of the first candle and the coordinate of the second candle. The coordinate must be different. Now this is where the mistake was. This is where we made the mistake for the issue of coordinates. So now one thing about, okay, so we didn't make the mistake here. Let me just show you. Okay, the coordinate for this one was a buy coordinate, and then the coordinate for this one was a sell coordinate. Now the coordinate for this is the mistake that we made in the other GBP/USD trade. The coordinate for your present trade, the day you want to take that trade, that is the present candle. You know, we have the former candle and the present candle, right? You are looking for the coordinates of the previous candle and then the current candle. Now the coordinate of your current candle must follow what you want to do for that particular day. So if maybe, for example, you want to sell from that your current candle, the coordinate for that current candle must be a sell. Then the coordinate of the previous candle must be a buy. Now if you want to buy for that particular day, your CRT shows a buy, the coordinate for your current candle must be a buy, while the coordinate of your previous candle must be a sell. I don't know if you understand. So this one is actually fine. The coordinate was actually fine. Now this was where the mistake is. So after we actually did everything, now we're looking for confirmation, which we saw confirmation on the 2 hours time frame. That was where we saw our confirmation on the 2 hours time frame right here. So it was a cool trade right there, but let me just show you. So our confirmation. Now I actually forgot about all this particular stuff. Now I actually stick this particular stuff. I just thought to get that the current candle must have the same coordinate of the direction it wants to go, then the previous candle will have the opposite. I still made the mistake in this particular day of this with this particular same currency pair, which is GBP/USD. But it was at the end of the day, because one thing about me is when I take all my trades for the day, I go back to the chart and go and reanalyze and see my mistakes. If I take a loss, I'll go and reanalyze that trade and see what are the mistakes I made, and that way I'm able to grow myself better. I'm able to become better in trading. I'm able to grow my skill every single day. So every single day I sharpen my edge. I make sure that my edge is much better, because I want to actually attain that level of perfection, that level of discipline where I follow all my stuff step by step. So now this particular stuff was very, very clean, very, very perfect trade. Now I want to now look for the coordinates of the lower time frame. Now, like I said, the coordinate of the lower time frame does not matter. It might just be different, but the major coordinate is the one from the higher time frame. The coordinate of the higher time frame, if you are looking to buy, that coordinate of the present candle must be a buy coordinate, and then the previous candle must be a sell coordinate. If you are looking to sell, the coordinate of the present candle must be a sell coordinate, and then the coordinate of the previous candle must be a buy coordinate. You understand? So that this particular stuff applies to only the higher time frame coordinate. Now the lower time frame coordinate, you might have a buy coordinate for the present candle and a sell coordinate. You understand? It doesn't matter, but they must not be the same coordinate. You understand the deal now? So now this is the coordinate of the first candle right here. The current candle is a sell coordinate, and then the coordinate of this particular previous candle, it didn't give us a coordinate, right? If you look at it, it didn't give us a clear coordinate, right? It didn't give us a clear coordinate. Now look at this, it took out the high of this particular candle and then it took out the low, so we are not sure what happened there. So I went down to the 2 minutes time frame. So because I was not sure, I I just said, okay, maybe it's a buy coordinate, and that was the mistake I actually made. You don't guess in the market. Don't ever do a guesswork in markets. Maybe don't take trades based on maybe. You understand? So this is it. You can see it right here. Boom, took out the low, and then this one, so it took out the low on the 2 minutes time frame. So the coordinate here was a sell, and the coordinate here was a sell. I didn't check it, I just used the 1 minute coordinate. So which is actually not good in trading. That was one of the lessons I learned. That was one of the lessons I learned yesterday from this particular trades. You understand? So that was one of the reasons why I actually lost the trade. So we took the trade and the market went against us because our coordinate was not correct. Now for the second trade that we took, that we actually lost, it was still from the daily time frame. Our opening range was still from the daily time frame. So we went down to the daily time frame. That was yesterday. So still the same yesterday. I analyzed the trade, still the same yesterday. You know, this first one analyzes from from Monday down to Tuesday, right? But this one I analyzed it on Tuesday, thinking it was going to go in my direction, but I actually made a mistake, which I discovered that mistake that same Tuesday. So now let me show you guys the mistake. So this is the candle. You can see it. This was the previous day candle, and this is the current day candle right there. So market took out the eye of the previous day candle. Very, very simple like that. Market took out the eye of the previous day candle. So what does that simply mean? It simply means that we are looking to what? We are looking for lower prices, right? That what it simply means. So what I did was I went down to check the coordinates of these candles, right? So that is exactly what I do. I go down to check the coordinates of these candles. Like I said, the coordinate of the present candle and the coordinate of the previous candle is what is going to determine what the market is going to do next. You understand? The current candle where you are trading from and the previous candle, the coordinate is what's going to determine if market is going to push to the upside or not. You have to know if you are actually on the X axis or you are not on the X axis. You understand? So that is, we have X and Y axis. You understand? So if you are looking to buy, you want to know if you are truly in the right place, if the candlestick that you are looking to buy from is truly a buy coordinate candlestick or not. You understand? And if the previous candle is a sell coordinate, because if you are looking to buy, your current candlestick must have a buy coordinate. The coordinate must be a buy. That means the opening range must be a buy. Why the previous candle, the candle before it, must be a sell. It must be opposite. You understand? Just like how we have the X and Y axis. So that way you know that yes, the market is going to go in your direction. Very, very simple. Very, very. So you need to understand the coordinates for you to understand if market is going to. This is mathematics. This is like market is just like mathematics. You understand? If on your chart, on your graph, when we're doing maths, if on your graph you only have Y and Y coordinates, that particular graph is wrong. You must have X and Y coordinates or Y and X coordinates. You understand? That is how it should be. You understand? Even in calculus too. You get? So this is exactly how the market also works. So now right here, this was the mistake I made. Now look at this coordinate. This is the current candle coordinate. You can see the current candle coordinate is a buy coordinate. Now we're looking to sell, but the current candle coordinate is a buy coordinate, which is wrong. If you are looking to sell from a particular eye, when market takes out a CROT eye and you're looking to sell, the current candlestick must, very important, must be a what? A sell coordinate. It must. Oh, important. It must be a what? It must be a sell coordinate. I hope you understand. It must be a sell coordinate if you are looking to sell. Now, if you are looking to buy, it must be a buy coordinate. So now, this was the mistake I made, which I actually, now I know of the mistake, and now I am 8% better. That is why trading, you don't stop learning in trading. Don't say you're a master of all. You've taken 10 trades, you've not lost, and you stop learning. That's why some people, they end up losing all their money. They end up going bankrupt because of trading. These are the lessons I've learned all this in 2 years of trading. You understand? So look at it. Took out the eye. That is a buy coordinate, which I should not I should have traded from there. I should have just forget about this trade. I know that market is simply looking to go higher to the upside. You understand? So now that was the mistake I made right there. You can see it. Market took out the high. So look at the previous candle. So the sell coordinate. So this was the two. This one's supposed to be the first one, and this one's supposed to be the first one's supposed to be the second one. But I made a mistake and I actually took the trade, which was actually bad. So that was what actually made this trade invalid. That was what actually made this trade invalid, because the lower time frame CROT, everything worked out fine, but this particular trade became invalid. Now let's go on to the trade we took on gold, which was yesterday. So it was a 1 hour trade, a very short trade, very short trade. So gold has not really been moving nicely. It has not really been moving really well. So currently we're on a sell on gold today. For today, I don't know if say it, but we're on a sell on gold today. We actually we smashed a profit of about 100 pips, 100 and something pips from here all the way down here. Yeah, 115 pips. But we're still running because our aim is to actually go all the way down to this particular place, all the way down here. Yeah, that's our aim, which is about 360 pips. Now let me show you the trade I took on gold. Now I still made the same mistake, but it was later on I later corrected myself. I said, oh, okay, so this is the mistake, and you understand, it was later on after I analyzed all my trades, the profit and the loss, analyze both the profit and both the loss, so that you can have a perfect strategy, so that you can grow. The aim is to always grow yourself. The aim is to always become better. You understand? Now look at this. So this was where we took the trade, this candle and this candle right here. So we look for the coordinates of these candles. So what are the coordinates? This is the coordinate of this candle. The coordinate is a buy coordinate, and then this one is a sell coordinate. So you can see the same mistake, but I was lucky enough that this one didn't hit my stop loss, which I used the 2 minutes time frame for my confirmation. It didn't hit my stop loss. It was a good trade. Market actually take profit. So now with this particular trade, I've learned lesson already. With just that particular trade on GU, the two particular trades on GU that I lost, I've learned a lot of lessons, and I've become 8% better than I was on that I was on Tuesday. So Wednesday, I'm 8% better than I was on Tuesday. Now today we're in profit on gold, 110 pips profit, and we're still looking at more profit on it, because we are looking at it to go down 360 pips. So that's it. Now let me explain better about what I was discussing. Now the reason why I'm using all these concepts, CRT, HRC, and volume, okay, I won't talk about volume order flow, because that one is very special to my heart. It is very special concept to my heart that I actually knew about that particular concept through pain. You understand? I had to sort it out through pain. So I will not say anything about it here, but as time is going, we're going to be talking about it more and more. So now CRT is a very how do I put it? CRT is a concept that helps you to know liquidity. HRC is a concept that helps you to know the direction of each candle or session in the market. So these two concepts, they are very important in trading. You're trading. These two concepts are I don't know, they are not popular. One thing about trading is the concepts that are very good in trading, they don't become popular. That is it. You need to seek them with good diligence. You understand? So CRT helps you to know liquidity. It takes out, when market takes out the high, take out the low, you know what to do, right? Now HRC tells you the direction of each candle, each section. And so when you are taking your trades, maybe for example, you take your trade from a particular candle, you see an engulfing candle, and you take your trade. See how to actually verify if that engulfing candle is a confirmed engulfing candle via direction. Is that engulfing candle supporting the direction of where you are looking to sell? So if you are looking to sell, is your engulfing candle supporting it or not? Now, volume order flow is now what confirms that yes, this whether sellers are already in the trade already, or buyers, depending on your direction they are looking to trade to. You understand? So if you are looking to sell, volume order flow will show you that sellers are already in already, not just sellers, institutional sellers. Because if it's retail sellers, it will show you that the people that are here are not institutional sellers but retail sellers. Now it also show you the same stuff on the buy side of the on the buy trade. You understand? So this is the importance of all these three concepts. When you combine it together, you are unstoppable. You understand? So from on Monday, Tuesday, today is Wednesday, we've always closed every day with profit. Every day with profit. Even though we had one loss or the other, we close the day with profit because we know what we are doing and we are becoming better and better every single day. So that's why I urge you guys to go and learn more about it. You can search on YouTube to understand it. You understand? The reason why most people use CRT but they still fail at it because they lack HRC. The reason why most people use CRT, HRC and they still fail at it because they lack volume order flow. You understand? So these three combined together, you are unstoppable. So that will be all for today. We'll catch you on. Make sure that you guys subscribe to my YouTube channel. Make sure you subscribe to the YouTube channel. Make sure you like, share the video to your friends. Those are friends that are struggling traders that want to become better in trading. Please share it to them. And if you want to become better in trading, just let me know. I'll do some sessions like this too to actually explain all these concepts better so that you can know these things for yourself. So guys, have a nice day. Have a nice trading week ahead. Thank you very much, guys.